It's kind of crazy. Google's most advanced foldable yet is so close, and yet it might be slipping right out of August and landing all the way in October. That's right. While the regular Pixel 10 models are still expected to drop late August, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could keep fans waiting for weeks longer. And in tech time, that's dangerous, especially when your competition is already on store shelves stealing the spotlight. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the big stories. So here's what's happening. According to fresh reports, Google isn't just dealing with a minor hiccup. Supply chain snags could delay not only the Fold, but also the Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a. And this isn't just some shaky rumor. It's from WinFuture, a source that's nailed Pixel leaks year after year. They're pointing to an October 9th release for the Fold. That's over a month after the regular Pixel 10 models, which themselves are already a week later than last year's release. The strange part? We've already seen the Pixel 10 Pro Fold in all its glory. Leaks have shown it from every angle, even in a fresh moonstone color that manages to look sleek without screaming for attention. At first glance, it's a Pixel 9 Pro Fold with a new paint job, but look closer and you'll find at least 18 changes, some subtle, others actually game-changing. The biggest leap, full dust and water resistance. That makes this the first foldable that doesn't panic at sand crumbs or pocket lint. Last year's model could handle water, but fine particles were still its kryptonite. This year, Google's aiming for true everyday toughness, something every foldable fan has been waiting for. Then there's the hinge, smaller, smoother, and engineered to reduce that chunky crease that annoyed some users last year. Better durability, better feel, and a cleaner look. And wireless charging now has built-in magnets. MagSafe style, so you'll always hit the charging sweet spot without fiddling. Colors are shaking up too. Obsidian and porcelain are gone, replaced by jade and moonstone. And while they look great, I can't help eyeing that vibrant blue the base Pixel 10 is getting. If that shade made it to the Fold, I might just buy it day one. Now here's the curveball. Google isn't casing the thinner, lighter race that Samsung, Honor, and Oppo are in. Instead, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is 0.2 mm wider, 0.3 mm thicker, and 1G heavier. Sounds like a step back, right? But that extra space means a bigger 6.4-inch cover display, up from 6.3 with slimmer bezels and a better aspect ratio. The inside still stretches to 8 inches, but both screens are now brighter. The only catch, the cover display still doesn't have LTPO tech, so it can't drop to 1 Hz for extreme battery savings. It stays between 60 and 120 Hz. Powering it all is Google's new Tensor G5 chip, built by TSMC on a 3nm process. It's not going to dethrone Apple or Qualcomm in raw speed, but it should run cooler, sip less power, and keep performance steady without throttling. Pair that with a 550 mAh battery, bigger than last year's Fold, and even the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and you've got a device built for real all-day use. Other changes might seem small, but add up fast. The SEM tray moves to the top, freeing space for symmetrical dual-speaker grills at the bottom. Bluetooth jumps from 5.3 to 5.4. A new 1 TB storage option joins the lineup for those who never delete anything. And while the camera hardware hasn't changed much, the new image processor promises sharper, more natural low light shots and better HDR without that over-processed look. So here's a real question. Will buyers wait? The Z Fold 7 is here right now with slimmer bezels, faster performance, and its own loyal fan base. The Honor Magic V5 is launching globally just as the regular Pixel 10s arrive. By the time October rolls around, a lot of wallets might already be empty. But for those who value durability, battery life, and subtle quality of life upgrades over headline-grabbing gimmicks, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might still be worth the wait. And if Google ever releases it in that brilliant blue, well, you might just see me camping outside a store,